What's good YouTube? It's your man DOG and welcome back to another video. In today's video, we're gonna be sneezing on people in public prank. Let's get into it. Malums? Ish. Etkolisa. Etkolisa ntate. Etkolisa. Ah. Kuri video ne? Shop shop.
I am the one, the way you turn the
Ish. Achoo. Ish. Sorry, Mamzo. I'm sorry. Okay, sorry. Okay. Sorry, Mamzo. Loop van achter.
No! God, please, no! No! No!
Amon? Huh? Ish, I want bread. Achoo. Achoo.
This one is dope, bro.
Mamzo, Lala, for YouTube, ne? Did you feel it, Mamzo? You didn't feel it. Ish. Okay, she didn't feel it, ne? Okay, sure, thank you, Mamzo. You're great. Achoo. Ish. I'm sorry, Tate.
No, it's fine.
Sorry, na? Must I wipe it?
No.
Okay, sorry, na? Okay. Achoo. So, as for YouTube, ne? Hello? Can you just help me quickly, please? So I'm looking for chicken pieces. You think these ones are best, or like should I get them there? Excuse me?
I think you might get them there.
Might get them there, na? Oh, thank you very much. What's your name?
Brenda.
Brenda. Thank you for your help, ne, Brenda. Achoo.
Hey, mister, you sneezing on my neck here.
Sorry, sir. Hey, I'm sorry, sir. I'm sorry. Sir, it's a prank. It's a prank. It's water. It's for YouTube. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, man. It's a prank.
I really thought you were sneaky.
Sorry, sir. Thank you. You were awesome. Thank you.